We all know product-based businesses where you sell your products to clients and earn money. But imagine creating a product just once and then you can sell it over and over again to different clients. Well, that's the magic of digital products. On top of that, most of the time, you don't even have to go through the hustle of packaging and shipping because they can easily be downloaded over the internet. So in this video, we'll tell you about the 7 digital products that will make you $100 daily. But before we get started, I'd like you guys to click that subscribe button. Ebooks. Movies and shows might have brought down the ebooks market, but the world is full of people who appreciate words. But not everyone likes carrying around a book when they can have millions of books just a tap away. The ebooks market has seen exponential growth during the last few years. To give you a figure, the number of ebooks units sold saw a tremendous increase from 170 million to 190 million just from 2019 to 2022. These numbers are growing every day. So now is your time to let your words speak. The market for ebooks is vast. You can write about anything as long as you have a way with your words. If you're not willing to go for a long book, you can write mini guides, how-to books, diet plans, recipes, and whatnot. Even though we should not judge a book by its cover, an eye-catching book cover is essential for attracting readers, so pay close attention to the ebook's cover and design. But where to sell it? The most common option is Amazon Kindle, but the internet is full of other platforms as well, like Sellfy and Smashwords. You have to find what works the best for you. Digital art. The term starving artist is a tale of the past because, with the advent and advancement of the internet, all artists can easily find their potential clients. This can easily be comprehended from the fact that in 2021, the digital art market was estimated to be $13.3 billion in the US alone. Now, if you're good at graphic designing, you can make various digital products and sell them over and over again with little customization. These can be logos, birthday cards, calendars, timetables, PowerPoint templates, backgrounds, and so on. If you love gaming and streaming as much as you like graphic designing, you can also sell emotes and badges on Twitch. We all know how crazy Twitch users are. If you can create some realistic filters, you can sell them on Instagram. Where to sell them? Well, there are so many ways. Etsy, Amazon, and Sellfy. There are hundreds of different platforms. Or another way is to contact your customers directly. Most of the time, social media influencers are in great need of some ready-to-go design works. Similarly, you can also approach any small business which is in its initial stages. You have to sit down and do a bit of brainstorming so you can explore the possible ways to cater to people's needs. Music. If you know the secret chord and love making music, why not sell it online? On the internet, a great audience appreciates music because music does wonders where words fail. But what are the different ways you can convert your music into digital products? Firstly, if you've been playing music for a while, you must have some custom drum samples. Music producers around the world require such samples. Secondly, you can also sell your beats and instrumentals. Thirdly, you can make some quality background music. The market for this kind of music is the biggest. You can sell it to an advertisement company, a media production house, Twitch streamers, and YouTubers. You can also get a bit innovative and sell video courses where you are teaching people how to master a particular beat or chords. If you succeed this way, this will need little to no maintenance. And lastly, if you're a musical artist, you can also sell your singles. There are tons of websites like Bandcamp, Fiverr, and Sellfy where you can sell your music. But these websites charge a considerable amount, and the fee doubles if sales increase. So a better plan is to start your own website and build your brand. Of course, this will also come with its own maintenance charges like tools for generating traffic. But once you tackle it successfully, the prospects of earning will increase. You can also place ads on your website, which will open another income stream. Online courses. The pandemic has made the whole world realize that work can be done from home, and distance education can be the future of learning. As e-learning has been advancing, there is an increasing demand for online courses. By 2025, the global e-learning market is expected to be worth $325 billion. This market is now expanding with an annual growth rate of 5.7%. Now, it's your time to shine. Finding the topic for your online course is not that difficult of a task. All of us are good at something. Your task is to find that something and become the light source for others. If you're still confused, notice there might be a thing in which your colleagues and friends ask you for your help and consider you an expert. It can be anything from debugging computers or even asking for some relationship advice. Once you've chosen the topic, the next step is to do extensive research. Then it's vital to highlight the aims and objectives of this course. Tell the audience what the learning outcomes are. What will they learn or will they be able to do at the end of this course? You can also make some portion of your course free because this will serve as a good strategy for attracting people to buy the premium one. Now, where to sell this online course? The most popular platform is Udemy, with an instructor base of around more than 35,000. Photographs. They say a picture is worth more than 1,000 words. And if your picture has the power to move hearts and inspire people, why not sell it online as a digital product? The first option is to go for Adobe Stock, an online marketplace that has been around for more than 10 years, so there are no doubts about its credibility. The thing I like the most about Adobe Stock is how wide the market is because your photos are also available on other photography applications of Adobe, so potentially you have millions of customers. Though Adobe keeps a considerable royalty for their photos, you can make anywhere around 20% to 60% on your photos. You are not limited because you can also upload your photograph for sale on other websites. Another way is Shutterstock, a popular site for selling stock photos for over 15 years. According to the site, sellers have made more than $500 million on Shutterstock. Just like Adobe, Shutterstock doesn't demand exclusivity. Or you can go the independent way, starting your own website. This will be the best option if you already have some social media presence, like running a photography blog or an Instagram page. Sell Lightroom presets. Has it ever happened to you that while scrolling on your Instagram feed, you find a picture with striking colors that captivates you? But that doesn't seem like an Instagram filter. So what are those? Those are Lightroom presets. A Lightroom preset is an image filter used to edit photos in Adobe Lightroom. These are a perfect balance of lighting, contrast, shade, color, and brightness, which gives photos a high quality and distinct look. To make this your source of income, it all needs a little skill, artistic flair, and practice, and you're good to go. The internet is full of websites where you can sell these digital assets. Software and games. The market for software and games is growing day by day, and to create both of them, you require a high level of expertise. If you are amazing at coding, this is perfect for you. But if you're not good at coding but still have a bankable idea, you can hire someone to develop that software. The software can be for many types of apps, system software, driver software, and programming software. You just have to create the product once, and then its income will be fairly passive because you'll need to maintain it regularly. This is what Microsoft has been doing for decades. Coming toward the games, the indie game market is better than ever. Both Minecraft and Among Us have their beginnings in the indie game market. The internet is full of platforms allowing indie game sellers to monetize their creations. So guys, that's all I had for today. Which one of these digital products impressed you the most? We're waiting for your answer in the comment section. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the subscribe button so we can remain connected in the future. See you soon.